Hello guys, if you wanna run a no huddle offense in Madden 27, you can quickly get back to the line and choose your next play without giving the defense much time to react. First, make sure the play ends in bounds and the clock is still running. If the play ends with an incomplete pass, you go out of bounds or the clock stops, the no huddle option may not work the same way. Once the play is over and you are still in bounds, hold down the Y button on Xbox or the triangle button on PlayStation. This will immediately put your offense into a no huddle setup and you'll stay at the line of scrimmage instead of going through the normal huddle. From there, you can use the left bumper and right bumper to move through the available plays and select the play you wanna run next. This is especially useful when you wanna keep the defense from making substitutions or changing their formation before the next snap. Just remember, the clock is still running during a no huddle offense, so keep an eye on the game clock, the play clock, and things like the 2-minute warning or the end of the quarter. And that's how you can run a no huddle offense in Madden 27 and quickly get your next play off before the defense has time to adjust. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.